Happy Monday morning. We're going to walk around the Department 56 Snow Village layout and talk about the progress that was made over the weekend, starting with the trolley track here. On both sides, I took a straight edge out just to shorten the track up a little bit. I needed more room at the end here for village pieces. I talked about adding another table at the end here. I still may, but right now I'm just going to work with what room I do have. My husband built some side tables. I need to grab a couple more plastic tablecloths to cover those up, but I did fit my styrofoam base on those. He even put in a little shelf, so I had a place for my controller for the trolley and then a couple baskets filled with stuff for the village. I worked at cutting back the hill for Snowy Hills Hospital. I still have more work to do on that. I hung up the Santa Claus picture over there. I thought it was the perfect place for that. The clay on the snowbanks has completely dried, so now I can paint that. Yeti has been riding the rails. Over here, my husband built another train tunnel for me. It looks like Bigfoot is checking it out, making sure it's up to his standards. So this is about 3 foot long, I believe. This piece, and then this was from the last layout. This is actually my original it's actually my original platform that we had up in the living room. So he's recycled that one a couple times. He did make modifications to this corner piece and then the original train tunnel. So there was enough head clearance for Yeti and Bigfoot to ride around on the train and not knock their noggins and send them off to the hospital. Both of the train tunnels are going to act as a base for another train platform that we're working at building. We have most of it, I should say, he has most of it built. There's just a couple things that needs to be done to that platform. And then I have some stuff that I want to do to the train tunnels before we bring that platform in. But hopefully that platform will be brought in sometime this week. We do have a really busy week, so I'm not really sure what all we're gonna get accomplished. But so far, that is what happened over the weekend on the layout.